Hello everyone, welcome in today's video. Today I just want us to look at fodder calculator, the hydroponic fodder calculator for chicken. So the reason I'm looking at this is because many have been requesting that we may give the amount supposed to be taken by chicken, that is the indigenous chicken, the layers, and the broilers. The other reason why I'm looking into this is because many farmers have been producing very beautiful fodder, but when on giving the fodder to the poultry, then it seems like they do not eat. So I will look at the reason as to why they do not eat and what to do for them to eat. So therefore, welcome very much, and let us do these calculations. Chicken. Now let me deal with mature chicken. With mature chicken, we know very well that a mature chicken should be given 140 grams of feed daily. So if we were to incorporate the hydroponic fodder, let me say that for indigenous chicken we can go up to 70% fodder. For broilers and layers, we can go up to 30% fodder. So you know what 30% of 140 grams will translate to. You also know what 70% of this one will translate to. Now let me just deal with an example here whereby we can just take our percentage to be 50% fodder and 50% commercial feed. So that implies that if we have 100 chicken, so this implies that 100 chicken will require 14 kg. So if we need half of this to be the fodder and half of it to be commercial feed, then that translates to 7 kg fodder and 7 kg commercial feeds, and this one will be now given to 100 chicken. Now when we talk about 50%, I don't want you to go and now take this 7 kg and say that let me produce 7 kg for the first day, then you take them to, you take the fodder to feed the 100 chicken. You find that probably they will eat only 1 kg and waste the 6 kg. So what are we supposed to go about it when we deal with any animal? So this is how to go about it. Many farmers who normally practice fodder production for chicken, they normally do at their own percentage. So as we have said, you start by 1 kg fodder. On the other side, you reduce by 1. So this is an example for 100 chicken. So therefore, not very careful. When they now finish the 1 kg completely, now you can add 2 kg fodder at 12 kg of feed, 3 kg fodder at 11, until you get to your required amount of fodder. Now, those wise farmers are them that normally do some experiment. They do analysis when at 1 kg fodder and 13 kg the commercial feed. What are the production? What are the production at that stage? So they go increasing the fodder as they reduce the amount of commercial feed. They will go until a point whereby they will get maximum production. So at that point where they will get the maximum production, they will stop at that point. If it is 50% commercial feed and 50% fodder, then they will stop at that point. So even you can do the same until you reach your desired point. Remember, this is for the indigenous chicken. You can go up to 70%. For layer and for broiler, you can go up to 30%. Remember to start introducing the fodder early enough at 2-month chick. At that 2-month old chick, then that is the best for the indigenous chicken. You start training your chicken to use your chicks to use the fodder. As for me, the cheapest way to go about the feeding of the poultry is whereby farmer do the hydroponic fodder, and whereby the same farmer will be able to make his or her feeds. Now, for me, I do make my own feeds, and I have shared several videos on this channel showing how I make my own feeds, and I normally use very simple methods to make the feeds, and that means that it lowers the cost of the feed. Not only lowering the cost of feed, but also increasing the quality of the feeds. So my chicken eat high quality feeds. Number two, they are also on fodder. Fodder is very cheap. For them that are in Kenya, fodder, 1 kg of fodder is just 12 bob, 12 Kenya shillings. 1 kg of chicken feeds, commercial chicken feed, the high quality chicken feed is almost 50 bob. That is half $1. If you compare with 1 kg of fodder, then 1 kg of fodder is very cheap. And if you can feed your chicken 50% fodder and 50% commercial feed, you see what you end up saving each and every day. So in terms of saving, let us take an example of 100 chicken feeding on 14 kg of commercial feeds daily. Now, when using hydroponic fodder at 50%, that means 7 kg hydroponic fodder, and or let us take it as 8 kg hydroponic fodder and 6 kg commercial feeds. Let's see how the savings all. The cost of seed is 2 kg of seed normally is $1, and this 2 kg of seed normally gives us 8 to 10 kg of fodder. So if we can take this lower limit here as 8 kg from the seed, so that means that $1 is equivalent to 8 kg of seed. Now let us calculate how much we can use when using the 14 kg commercial feed without the hydroponic fodder. So 1 kg of commercial feed is half a dollar, 0.5. So what about 14 kg of the feed? So what we are getting here is $7. So this $7 is what you use without using hydroponic fodder. Now adding hydroponic fodder, 8 kg hydroponic fodder plus 6 kg commercial feed, this implies to 6 kg commercial feed will give us $3. 8 kg of fodder will give us $1. Adding the two, we are getting $4. So this means that using fodder and commercial feed, we are finally saving $3 because it is 7 minus 4, which give us $3 in a day. So this is having 100 chicken. Assuming a farmer had more chicken like 500 and above, so this will be a great saving. Now, besides saving all this, the fodder is having a lot of benefit. In production must go high. Things to do with the quality of the products, the eggs, quality of the meat must also go high. So the immunity also will also definitely go high. So therefore, farmers, let us do this farming. Thank you very much for watching. For more videos and updates each and every moment I upload a new video, please remember to subscribe to my channel below. Remember also to hit the bell. You can like, you can share with friends and leave your comment.